Yung sa PACC at si Bit Aguirre na nag-file sa kanya ng kaso. Which was, kung hindi lang nabago ang administration, baka nasa kulungan pa yung magandang Laila Junil de Dayan na babae. Ha? So, ito po lahat in answer sa parting word. Ito po ay pamulitika lahat. Now, if it's politics, wala, in violation of the Constitution, because in the ruling of the Supreme Court, there must be, well, the Supreme Court admitted that it is political, but it is also legal. But this Committee on Justice is all purely political lang lahat. Walang legal, kaya they violate the Constitution. And I suppose, I will not be, I would not presume na hindi gumagalaw ang mga abogado ni Vice President to question all this in the court. Itong lahat ng mga violation. And in fact, I believe that if there is an immediate action, they can get an injunction or restraining order in all this violation of the House of Representatives.
Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, tagko lang Manong Rod.